Hello, listen, I know, I get it. I hate marketers too. Sometimes they are good, sometimes they are bad, but all I want to do really is educate you on your online presence. And I think this video can really show you. It's 5 minutes long, so it's gonna really show you how you are doing. So let me start with just looking at your website and starting with your content. So it is actually a very well laid out website. It has click to call buttons and all of the description of the services that you provide with nice pictures. Probably you could make it easier for people trying to reach out to you, include a contact us form. And another important thing is actually just looking at the amount of content, because anything that you have on your website, it's text, videos, or images, anything is considered by Google content, and it can find you. Google can find you just crawling your website. So right now you have 1,024 words. If I look at one of your competitors, so Precision Door Service, they have 518 words, and Super Garage Doors, they have only 517 words, but still, both of them are ranking at the top of the Google search. Now, so that's an opportunity that is worth actually pursuing, just including more and more relevant content. Not necessarily more, but relevant content so that Google can actually rank you for that. When I came into Google, I type in garage door repair Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword, and it's what people actually type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And the first thing that you're going to see here is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and some people actually just turn them off in their browser, so they just skip the whole section altogether. And the next section is the Google Maps, and the Google Maps are having a massive impact on businesses because it is driving 40% of the traffic. To rank at the top of the Google Map, you need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on any given directory, showing the name, the phone, and the address. And the important thing here is that they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. So it's important to rank in the top three positions of the Google Map packs. Now, the third section is the organic search. And to rank at the top of the organic search, first, Google needs to find you with the relevant content. But second, you need backlinks. And a backlink is a link uh, on a website that is directing traffic to your website. Now, I'm using this tool called Ahrefs, and this tool helps me analyze the back end of websites. So right now, I can see that you have 5 backlinks on 4 external websites that are directing traffic to yours. Now, if I look at your competitors, so Precision Doors, they have 1,110 backlinks in 85 referring domains. And if I look at Super Garage Doors, they have 768 backlinks in 222 referring domains. So here, the message is that you need more backlinks and you need powerful backlinks, because backlinks are not created equal. Some backlinks are more powerful than others just because they are in websites that are related to your industry, to your services, and to your niche. So Google has algorithms to actually it provides you higher points and ranks you at the top because it has algorithms to identify these sort of, let's call it relationships and um, associations. So it will actually regard your website as an authority, and it will give you points and rank you up higher. Now, the other important concept that I want to show you is the content. So if I go back to your website and just look at the keywords, so right now it says that this tool is saying to me that you are being ranked for 16 keywords. And in these keywords, or this dashboard shows me on the left the keyword. While it comes up, it shows me the keyword. This column here shows me the volume, so the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is actually showing me in which position you are ranking for that particular keyword. So anywhere beyond the 10th position means that you are already on the second page of Google. So your website is not getting traffic because people are not seeing your website on Google. Now, the important thing to look at here is that I cannot see any buyer intent keyword as well. So it's going to be difficult to attract customers that have that intention to buy or acquire products or services from you. If I go to Precision Door Service and if I look at their organic keywords, I filter them. Well, they have first 417 organic keywords. And if I just look at the first three without looking at this one, which is in Spanish, but this one, Garage Door Repair Miami, has a search volume of 700 searches per month, and they are ranking in position number 1. Garage Doors Miami, 300 searches per month, and they are ranking number 3. So just between these two keywords, without even looking at the other ones, they are being in front of 1,000 people per month. And that means that they are able to drive more traffic to their website because some people are going to click on their link, and then a percentage of those are actually going to reach out to them. And then, depending on their closing rate, they're going to be able to convert them into customers, increasing the traffic to their website and creating more revenue and increasing and growing their business. So that's all I wanted to share with you. So those insights. So just to recap, you can include more relevant content in your website. You can improve your presence in the Google using the Google Business Profile, taking advantage of the Google Business Profile, and you can increase more and more powerful backlinks so that Google ranks you at the top of the organic search. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. My name is Viviana, and my details are on this on the message. My number, my mobile is 754-271-3103. Bye bye. Have a nice day.